Hey everybody, today is finally the big day, August 23rd. We're finally getting to pick a winner for this tray. So all of you guys that subscribe to the channel and also all of you guys that commented below, I appreciate every single one of you. It's been a really fun process getting to know a lot of you guys and talking back and forth and just kind of just seeing how far this video has really made it into the world. Some comments have been from Australia, Austria, just all over the United States. It's just a really cool thing to see. So this morning I used a website called Comment Shark, and basically all you do is load your video into it and it will randomly pick one of the comments from your video. So I went ahead and did all that, and I copied in the URL, and the first person it picked is this Dave Woods 177. I actually remember vividly reading this guy's comment whenever he posted it. And Dave, I appreciate your honesty, and if you can build this, that's really awesome. So since Dave says he really doesn't need it and that he can make his own, he did say something about the plastic. Dave, if you don't mind, comment below kind of what you meant. I'm assuming maybe you meant this plastic here. If so, yeah, comment below. I'd love to figure out exactly what you meant. That way I can help you with that. So after rescanning again, it popped up this Randy Grew. So Randy Grew, you are the official winner of this tray, and I want to appreciate you so much for subscribing. I did go look and make sure that he subscribed. I also did check out his channel, and Randy seems like he's been in the YouTube world for a long time, so I have no concerns that he is an actual real person and not some bot or whatever that, you know, is floating around everywhere nowadays. So Randy, if you don't mind, reach out to me at this email, southerncncdesigns@gmail.com. Once I see your email, we'll write back and forth, and I probably will ask you a question or two just to kind of get some sort of proof. I want to make this as solid as possible so we don't have somebody out there, you know, posing as Randy Grew and then trying to get your tray. So anyway, as soon as I get your information and your address and we get all that situated, I'm going to get this tray sent to you, man. And I appreciate every one of you guys. And I hope all of y'all have a great day. Bye-bye.